Dear students, welcome to the today's class. Welcome to today's class. So, we are know about the Indian scientist. So many scientists are there. For example, Vikram Sarabhai, Jagdish Chandra Bose, James Watt, Isaac Newton, Sir C.V. Raman. Do you know about him, Sir C.V. Raman? Sir C.V. Raman. Know about him? Sir C.V. Raman, light scattering. He discovered, Sir C.V. Raman discovered a light scattering. Light scattering. For this work, for this discovery, he awarded the Nobel Prize. For this discovery, he awarded the Nobel Prize. So, students, today we are discuss about the lesson Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman. So, listen carefully. See your textbook, page number 18. Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work and scattering of light and his discovery of the effect of light rays, Raman effect. The government gifted him 25 acres of land to carry out further research work. Raman was the dream child of Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tirchi. He was the son of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Amman. Chandrasekhar Iyer was a professor of physics at Hindu College, Visakhapatnam. Raman studied there at the Hindu College High School. He was very much interested in science from his boyhood days. Even as a boy, he had made the model of a dynamo during his school days. He borrowed science books from college students and read them. Thus, from his early days, he showed great interest in science. Unfortunately, he used to fall sick every now and then and he was not able to attend school regularly. In spite of his poor health, he got first class in his matriculation examination. When he was only a boy of 12, he passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College and joined Presidency College, Madras for his BA. His relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics as his special subject for BA. Since Raman had made up his mind to study science, he took physics. He passed his BA, securing the first rank and a number of prizes. He passed his MA in January 1907. After his MA, Raman wanted to go to the United Kingdom for higher studies in science. But his health broke down again and he could not go. This was the greatest disappointment in his life. His relatives asked him to give up his study of science and take a competitive examination in Calcutta in history and economics. Raman did so and got along well with his new subjects. He got the first place in the competitive examinations and was appointed Deputy Accountant General in 1907 at Calcutta. His relatives perhaps felt happy to see that Raman had settled down well in life, but Raman was not happy. How could a scientist like a Raman put up with the life of a Deputy Accountant General? He felt like a fish out of water in his new post. But he still had hopes of becoming a scientist and was waiting for an opportunity. Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. He was the greatest scientist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on scattering of light. He was awarded a Nobel Prize for his work Scattering of Light. ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಚದುರುವಿಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ನೋಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. Discovery of the effect of the light rays. Effect of the light rays. It's called a Raman effect. It's called a light scattering. It's called a Raman effect. Raman effect. The government gifted him for 25 acres of land to carry out further research. Indian government had gifted for it 25 acres. 25 acres and gifted a gift ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತು for his further studies. Further research ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ 25 acres ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತು. Raman Institute was the dream child of Sir C.V. Raman. Raman Institute. Raman Institute was the dream child of Sir C.V. Raman. Raman Institute was the dream child of Sir C.V. Raman. ಅವರು ರಾಮನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ರಾಮನ್ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಕನಸಿನ ಕೂಸಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಸರ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮನ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we learn about Sir C.V. Raman boyhood days. Next we learn Sir C.V. Raman boyhood days. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tirchi. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7 in 1888 Tirchi. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tirchi. ಅವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 1888 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 7 1888 ಜನಿಸಿದ್ರು ತಿರುಚಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. He was the son of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal. He was the son of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal. He was the son of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tirchi, and he was the son of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal.